recipe today is sticky rice steamed with jackfruit. Nom Som Knor តោះទៅមើលនំសំខ្នុរដែលបានឆ្អិនរួចហើយនៅលើតុនេះសិនតើដូចយ៉ាងម៉េចបើសិនជាឆ្ងាញ់គួរតែខ្ញុំមើលរបៀបធ្វើឬទេអូមើលនេះស្រទាប់បើកមកខាងហើយបើកមួយទៀតវ៉ាវល្អមែនគួរឲ្យចង់ធ្វើនំនេះណាសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំនិងក្រុមគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំមើលតើនំនេះកាត់មកមានរសជាតិដូចម៉េចខ្លះស្អិតល្មួតជាប់គ្នាចាអូឆ្ងាញ់មែនរលោងហើយមានជាតិខ្នុរមានជាតិខ្ទិះដូងហើយនឹងស្លឹកចេកវិចពីក្រៅមកស្ងោរទៅឈ្ងុយមែន Well after I check out the steamed sticky rice with jackfruit already done and looking good so I'm ready to get my hand on and let's get going តោះនាំគ្នាទស្សនាដូចតទៅEveryone welcome to Mama V Kitchen ជម្រាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកចង្ក្រានបាយផ្ទះ Mama V ថ្ងៃនេះរីករាយសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនធ្វើនំសំខ្នុរមានបងប្អូនពួកម៉ាក់គាត់សូមស្នើខ្ញុំធ្វើនំនឹងចាខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ដែលខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើនំនេះយូរហើយចាដូច្នេះបន្តិចទៀតខ្ញុំនឹងទៅក្នុងផ្ទះនឹងចាប់ដើមធ្វើកិច្ចការចម្អិនហើយបង្ហាញបងប្អូនរបៀបវេចនំនឹងចា Today I'm going to make a sticky rice with jackfruit steam and I have a friend who request me to make this delicious yummy sticky rice with coconut top on jackfruit. You can use a fresh jackfruit or you can use the one in a can, okay? It's up to you which one you have available in your area. I'm so excited to show you how to make this basic and easy cake for you and your family. When you have chance, you can try for this holiday coming soon, okay? So yeah, can't wait to do this. Let's get started. This is the banana leaf that I already washed very well with the water. Just need to cut and trim and clean. Okay. So កណាត់ឬក៏กระดาษបងប្អូនចា So after I cut very nice and then I have to clean with paper towel. Okay. So this is the right one that we need. So I'm going to sample it. យកវាមកបោះដាក់ពុំវាពីលើជា See? Put like that. Okay. Sit on the top of. Put the one that didn't cut, the one already done cutting. Put on the top of each other and you go from there you get the same size, okay? See, on the top and then turn it over and cut the same thing just like that. See, same size, and then when you roll it and steam they look the same, okay? And then later it can be cleaned with paper towel and let it dry. Do the same thing like this one, see? Because we need to get rid of this top one here and the end. See, fold it half, take the one that already perfect, put in here, and then go from the top first, and then you flip it over and go from the bottom. Okay, so this is done. See, they look the same. Here is the paper towel, brand new one. I bring it here and open it, flip over, clean, see, before and after. Okay, so now it's clean. You do like this until it looks like very nice and see, looks just like that, okay, polished, shiny. Alright, flip it over. Do same thing. Okay. All right. Okay, so we got both sides clean now. នេះស្អាតហើយបងប្អូនយើងយកកណាត់กระดาษយើងជូតដៃនោះមកលាងមកជូតវាពីលើទៅហើយវាអស់ជាតិនៅហ្នឹងហើយជាតិសនៅពេញហ្នឹងចាយើងដាក់ទូទឹកកកជាងឲ្យបងប្អូនត្រូវលាងជាងបើយើងបេះមកថ្មីយើងជាតិធូលីដីនឹងស្រួលហើយនេះជូតដែរដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងគាត់នេះវាស្អិតណាជាតិនឹងវាស្អិតណាចាក្លៀនជាងអីCover with the banana leaf stem. I'm so excited to do it, you guys. So I'm open the coconut milk right now. បើកដូរខ្ទិះបងប្អូនចាបើកវាដើម្បី So I'm adding coconut milk ដូងខ្ទិះមួយកំប៉ុងខ្នុរខ្ញុំនៅស្រុកគេមានតែក្នុងកំប៉ុងទេអត់មានស្រស់ទេចាយើងធ្វើស្រស់ក៏បានធ្វើក្នុងកំប៉ុងក៏បានដែរចា So you can use the one with the fresh coconut from the tree or the one with the can. It's up to you. Okay, here you go. This is jackfruit. Going to cut like this. So you take the jackfruit bulb from the can or the fresh one and you slide into small pieces like this. And you're going to put this into a sweet sauce with coconut. Sticky rice and put in a banana leaf wrapper. យើងយកខ្នុរបងប្អូនស្រស់ក៏ដោយនៅក្នុងកំប៉ុងក៏ដោយយើងលាងវាស្អាតមកដល់ហើយយើងយកវា and put in a banana leaf and that one go of a sugar. This fresh coconut is optional. You don't have to put this one because you already put the coconut milk. បងប្អូនបើសិនជាបងប្អូនអត់ជួយចិត្តអត់ជួយចិត្តឬក៏អត់មានដូងស្រស់នេះទេមិនបាច់ដាក់ក៏បានដែរប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំមានសល់ដូច្នេះខ្ញុំដាក់ហើយថ្ងៃនេះចាone cup of jackfruit អូគ្នាទៅឲ្យសប់ណា The sweet sauce here. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Huge big sticky rice here. បាយកណ្ដាលវាដុំធំមកបងប្អូន5ពេងនេះ This is a sticky rice 5 cup. So here you go. Everything is blended very well. Sweet mixture, coconut, fresh coconut and coconut milk, sugar and salt is already mixed well. ជារបៀបវេចនំសំខ្នុរ This is how you stuff or making a sticky rice with jackfruit wrap. So I put one clean banana leaf, and then if you have extra one that is already wear out, you can put in the middle. Okay, and then like this. Okay, so here what you can do, once you get to this point, you can put it in, then turn it. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit more like a spring roll. Alright, okay, so you can get to this round like this, then turn this one like so, okay, toward you. See, make sure you put this one bend it toward you, face to you, that way you can see. Okay. Okay, put here, and then like that. Chà, rộng về. Okay. Now, đặt màu càng bộ dừa nó máu. Cho về kia này tí đó. Again, repeat the process until you are done. Okay, so put like that. Knock it a little bit, make it, and then if you want to do like this, it's fine. Put inside, and then put this one, and then roll like an egg roll or spring roll. Okay, push it back, roll it, roll, stop right there. Okay, here you go. And then you wanna they can break easy. Okay, be careful with this one. I finished everything last night, and then I put the one that I wrapped refrigerator. Okay, and now I'm using a steamer pot, sticky rice with jackfruit for about 5 minutes. បើសិនជាបងប្អូនធ្វើឲ្យបាយនៅក្តៅៗយើងវិចភ្លាមទុកទៅនឹងអត់អីទេតែបើបងប្អូនអត់បានវិចទុកហើយបានធ្វើស្អែកអានឹងវាអត់ជាប់គ្នាអត់កើតទេណាបងប្អូនធ្វើម៉េចយើងវិចដាក់ចូលក្នុងអាស្លឹកចេកនឹងទុកទូហើយសិនទៅស្អែកឡើងចាំយើងធ្វើអីក៏បានដែរចាអញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមណាហ្នឹងហើយនេះយើងបើកភ្លើង I have the cover កម្របហើយនេះ here is water. So you want to fill up water like halfway, okay? Tap water, fresh water. Don't put it too low because you're gonna run out. So here you go. Stack up on each other like this. You have either 1 rack or 2 rack. I had 2. It's in this refrigerator right here. Okay? That is when you're busy. You can do this one the next day. Okay? So put right here. Close this. And then let's come over here. Okay, so here you go. Open. You see, last night I did this. Up to 10 minutes. Okay. ពេលយើងដាក់អស់ហើយយើងចំហុយវាប្រហែលជា5ទៅ10 minutesក៏បានដែរស្រេចបងប្អូនទេណាចាខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់សាកដល់10នាទីមើលមិនវិញចាអូខេអរគុណ It's all done. 10 minutes later. Let's check. ឥឡូវនេះ10នាទីរួចហើយបងប្អូនឥឡូវខ្ញុំបើកមើលណាចឹងទៅបើកវា Wow, time sure flies so fast. It's time for me to say thank you for watching my steamed sticky rice with jackfruit recipe today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye. ខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបលាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រឹមនេះសិនហើយសូមបងប្អូនជួយចុចជាវឲ្យខ្ញុំផងដើម្បីបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗបន្តទៀតចាអរគុណលាហើយ